Stormy weather down the road in the forecast, but a nice little break here other than how cold it's going to be tonight. Well, yesterday we had high surf. Today it's beginning to flatten a bit, though we'll see a little more surf as we get into early next week. Let's take a look at some of the numbers here. 53 right now, Santa Maria, 52 San Luis, 50 Paso, 56 in Lompoc and Santa Barbara. Sure looked great today after the morning. The winds right now are onshore at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. They'll go light and offshore again tonight. Here is the latest and updated advisories. Frost advisory for the South Coast, meaning some temperatures will get down to near freezing, could stay there a couple of hours, potential damage to plants. But for the Central Coast, an upgrade to another freeze warning overnight and early tomorrow. So you can anticipate more issues with roads, having to have time to scrape those windows, things like that in the morning, on top of the threat to plants and outdoor animals as well. So that freeze warning, we could see freezing temperatures as early as, say, 1 o'clock for some areas, and lasting into early tomorrow morning. Again, the big reason why the skies have cleared out. There still is a little bit of northwesterly flow along the ocean here, and you can see some spots lighting up there on the radar. So if you get the opportunity to get cold enough and you get one of these stray showers, could you pick up a snow shower? Sure. I don't think it's the predominant factor in the forecast. I think clear, partly cloudy is going to be the situation tonight. Here's our next system on the way for Friday. I think it gets here in the afternoon. It's here into early Saturday, then a break, then another system Sunday into Monday. Here's a look at the microclimate model. You can see how the system waits to arrive until we get into Friday afternoon. This one is fairly moisture deprived, but still has this opportunity of producing showers and lower snow levels. Snow level, 3,500 feet. So that's a bigger issue in Santa Barbara County than San Luis Obispo County. In terms of rainfall amounts for the next system, I'd say most locations are going to stay under a ½ inch, so light to a ½ inch, but we could see a few spots exceeding beyond that. So February precip, you can see that we still have some to go here in terms of how much we normally get for the month, between 2.5 and say 4 inches of rain. So all we have to do is pick up another inch, inch and a half, and we will have already done what we need to do for February. In terms of the season, we're ahead in Paso Robles, Santa Maria, and Goleta. Goleta is 4 inches ahead. They're at 1371. Santa Maria, 9 inches of rain. San Luis about average at 10.67, and Paso Robles is 2.5 inches above average at 9.41. And again, I think not only do we see opportunities on Friday and again on Sunday, computer models are saying around the 20th, we could get back into one of those atmospheric river situations. We have to watch that carefully. It's still a ways down the road, but interesting weather ahead. Overnight lows tonight are in blue there, and might feel that way. 26 in Paso, much of the Central Coast going to be right around 30 degrees or upper 20s. Cuyama Valley in the mid-20s tonight. Low 50s inland tomorrow, mid to upper 50s at the coast. Kind of a lot like today, with not as much of a snow threat overnight. So again, it's Friday and again on Sunday in the extended forecast. But you'll notice something on the temperature trend here. Very little change. It's going to be cold for a while. How you guys doing with that kind of a forecast? Back to you.